FYI Quest! What is the most delicious dish in the Philippines? Letter A, lechon. B, adobo. C, kare-kare. D, sinigang. Your timer starts now. Very good! All the choices are correct. There are 20 best dishes to eat in the Philippines. Like any other cultures around the world, the Philippines, our country and motherland, has numerous best and delicious dishes that Filipinos can be proud of. Here is the list of 20 most delicious dishes in the Philippines. Lechon kawali. Arroz caldo. Kilawin or kinilaw. Chicken inasal. Inihaw na liempo. Dinuguan. Beef caldereta. Fried lumpia. Bistik Tagalog. Palabok. Pork barbecue. Bulalo. Sisig. Crispy pata. Sinigang. Ihaw-ihaw o inihaw. Kare-kare. Adobo. And last but not the least, the most famous during fiestas, lechon. A simple reminder, my friends, there is no dish more delicious than others, but only when it can give a person the delight he needs when eating it. If you like the video and you have learned something from it, please hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. Once again, this is Teacher Das, and this is my YouTube educational channel, Das FYI TV.